Hello everyone, this is Kevin from Vistech. Welcome to InfoComm Show 2006 in Las Vegas. Now I want to introduce our factory product. We not only produce the COB screen, we can provide the MIP screen. This one is a MIP 0.6. Yes, definitely this is 0.6. In the industry, just we had the 0.6mm LD panel. This kind of MIP screen without the calibration is the safety energy saving solution. And this kind of screen is a 55-inch, usually play the LCD market. LCD had 43 and 55-inch panel. This is a 55-inch panel. If you want to make a bigger LD wall, there's no gap. There's no gap. And this is very clear, high definition. If you want to get this kind of screen information, you can visit our website and follow us in the Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And yeah, we do the responsibility after sales service, and we can do local installation support. And you can visit our website, visitechtechnology.com, to find us and contact with us. Thank you.